In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calculated column to a data frame. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Python and pandas to compute a new column like total value from price multiplied by quantity and confirm that it's been added to your data. First, open your terminal on Mac OS or Linux or command prompt on Windows. We'll run a quick command to make sure you have the right library available. Next, install pandas by typing pip install pandas and pressing enter. If you have multiple versions of Python, you might use pip3 instead. Once that finishes, you're ready to write code. Now, in your Python script or notebook, import the library so you can use it. At the top of your file, add import pandas as PD. This short alias makes the code concise and is the community standard, so you'll see it in most examples. After that, create or load your data frame. You can build a small example writing code like a table with columns for item price and quantity. Or if you already have a data set, you can load it commonly with pd.read CSV for a CSV file. Either way works. The key is that your data frame has the columns you want to reference for your calculation. Before writing any code for the calculation, decide what the new column should represent. In this example, we'll compute total value, which is simply price times quantity. This is a perfect use case for pandas because it performs the math vectorized across the entire column, making it both simple and fast. To add the new column, assign the result to a fresh column name on your data frame. You do that by putting the column name in square brackets and setting it equal to your math logic. For instance, df total value, df price, df quantity. Make sure the column names match exactly, including capitalization and spaces. Also, ensure price and quantity are numeric. If they were read in as text, convert them before doing the multiplication. Finally, verify the result. Print the data frame with print, df, or just evaluate df in a notebook cell. You should see the new total value column appear typically at the end with the computed numbers for every row. If you notice unexpected results, double-check your column names, look for missing values, and confirm that the data types are numeric. That's it. You opened your terminal, installed pandas, imported it, set up your data frame, chose a meaningful calculation, assigned it to a new column using square brackets, and verified the output. You can use the exact same approach for discounts, taxes, ratios, or any other calculation your analysis needs.